Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this custom velocity effect in UE5 Niagara. You can see these particles are moving very cool way. See, it's making like a heart shape and it looks cool. So I will create it from scratch again. How I did that, it's very simple. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this tutorial, like, share and comment. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter. My handle is CJ underscore. Link is in description. You can follow me. So that will be very good. So let's start this tutorial. So as you can see, this effect has a little thickness also, but I can make it totally flat or totally, round 3D. But it looks cool. So what I did, I have just two emitters here and I'll do it again. Then I'll show you this one. Then I'll put the file on my Patreon. You can download and check yourselves. So in my R&D in new folder 515, I have this NS custom velocity and I will create a new Niagara system fountain test. Okay. So in test, I have this velocity and I'm using this fountain and I'll just delete these for now. So we have just velocity and sphere location. Let's make the sphere location 0. And then